Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today I have a really exciting brand that I'm working with. I have worked with this brand before, but not this product. I have a couple of different products I'm going to be showing y'all today, but one in particular that we're going to actually put to the test, use, and see how well it works. So before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell below, and if y'all are ready, let's get started. Okay, so the main big boy we're using today is the Sleek Rose Gold Flat Iron by FOXYBAE. This glare makes it a little hard to read, but yeah, I am so excited to use this. If any of y'all have seen my FOXYBAE Rose Gold Curling Wand review that I did a few months ago, you know I love that. If you haven't, click up right here. You can watch that video. But I am so excited to try the straightener. I have yet to try it yet. It is still in the box. I mean, can we talk about how pretty this box is? It's so girly and cute. And this is what the big boy looks like. I'm gonna take him out and put him to the test. My hair right now is straight out of the shower, blow dried, and nothing else is in it. No products, no nothing, just dried so that I could make this video and not have wet hair. So, oh, it comes with clampies. I've always wanted some of these. It comes with 2 of these. And it comes with the travel case, the little travel felt case. So you can put your straightener in here, I believe, when it's also warm, so it doesn't touch any of your other things in your bag if you do travel with it, and it'll be safe in that case. Okay, so this is what the flat iron looks like right here. New feature, did not expect this to have it because none of my other straighteners that I have ever used have this, but it has a little lock right here, a lock and unlock, and so when it's locked, it's closed, so it doesn't like pop open, which for me is big because I travel so much and my straighteners are always like open and I have to wrap the cord around them to close them and it takes up more space. So this actually has a lock, so if you're packing it, it'll just be closed on its own, and then you just slide it down and it opens. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel this off. We're gonna learn how to work this together. Okay, so it's super easy. The little on button's right there. So I'm gonna turn it on and we're gonna go up to, wow, this goes up to 450 degrees. We're gonna go a little less than that because I do want some hair after this video. Okay, so I have my straightener set to 400 degrees, which is still really hot. And while that heats up, I just want to show y'all some other products that I got from FOXYBAE that I don't really need to show y'all how to use them because they're just like little simple things, because I've had such a good experience with their other products that I use like daily that I just thought I would share these with you. So as y'all know, the heat protectant spray from that first video I did, I still use it. This stuff, I don't have a lot left, so I will be ordering more soon, but I use it anytime I style my hair, so I am going to spray my hair with this before I go ahead and start straightening. FOXYBAE sent these really cute little hair ties. I've actually never used these kind of ties, like the dentless ones, so I'm going to use them while I put half my hair up and down and I style it today. They have a replenishing hair mask, which, dear Lord, is this packaging not just the cutest thing ever? So cute. So I can't wait to use these. And then a new product, actually, I'm so excited to try. I haven't even opened it yet. Y'all can let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do a video on this product. But it is their leave-in cream conditioner. It comes in the same bottle that the heat protectant spray comes in, only instead of this lid, it's this lid. Yeah. And lastly, they have this super cute detangling brush. I'm actually just gonna open it right now. So it's rose gold, it's got that little fox on it. So cute, just great overall things. Pretty much everything you would need for your hair you can find at FOXYBAE, from simple hair ties to every type of curling barrel you would want, straighteners, curling wands, like you name it, they really have it. So I just wanted to share those with you. I will link all of those products below. And before we go any further, just wanted to let y'all know you can use my code FOXYAngelica and get 60% off the entire website. Yes, 60%. So that is a great coupon code. Definitely feel free to use that. I will put that below and the link to the website so you can shop. Alrighty, this straightener feels hot enough. We are going to get started with straightening my hair. Okay, so if you've never straightened your hair before, I always like to start from the bottom up because then you can really get every layer of hair, especially if you have hair that's similar to mine. It's really, really layered and there's a lot of dimensions to it. So I always go by parting pretty low to where there's just like basically one layer of hair and keep doing that and bringing it down in sections. So I'm using the FOXYBAE hair ties right now too. Okay, sorry, I just changed the angle of my camera again because you couldn't see the top of my head. So anyways, I sectioned my hair. I took the bottom layer, so about this much. And from here, I just split it in the middle into two pieces. And this with a straightener is enough hair. With a curling iron, I would section it into like another piece. Since my hair is already pretty straight, I don't need to do that. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with the heat protectant spray. Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. I just did like 2 squirts on each side because you don't want your hair to be wet. It's just a little protection. Wow, okay, so this really straightens your hair, which is a straightener, so it's doing its job, but it does it really well. So I'm just going to continue to piece my hair like I did before, another layer down, and I'm going to try and see if I can clamp this. Okay, it worked. All right, camera angle change one more time because I keep going out of frame, so we should be good now. All right, guys, my hair is all straightened. It is literally jet straight. The straightener, needless to say, worked wonderfully. Absolutely loved how my hair turned out. It also took me only a couple of minutes to do this. Definitely recommend the straightener. Loved using my new little hair ties while I straightened my hair as well. And that's it for today. This is how you straighten your hair. It's super simple, but for those of you that are new to hair care and hair products and hair tools, definitely make sure to check out FOXYBAE. And if you find some goodies that you like, definitely make sure to use my discount code for 60% off. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But I hope y'all have a fabulous day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!